Making some extra side hustle cash doesn't actually have to be that complicated. As someone who's been immersed in the field of online income generation for nearly 2 decades now, I can tell you that it takes some work. However, there are several clear paths forward. At the end of the day, it all boils down to what your goals are and just how much you're looking to automate your income. Could you make an extra $200 per month? How about an extra $1,000 per month? How would that change your life? To most, it would make a monumental difference. But what if we were talking thousands more per month or even tens of thousands more? How would that alter the trajectory of your life? Clearly, you can make money on the internet. You just have to decide how much of your time it's worth. While we all have some extra time, it often doesn't feel like it. But it also doesn't take too much effort to make some extra dough on the side. We're not talking about millions upon millions here, we're mostly talking about doing small, bite-sized projects to generate some fast cash. And depending on your skill set, you could easily make a few $100s or even a few extra thousand per month. 1. Become a virtual assistant. One simple way to make money from home is to help others complete tasks as a virtual assistant. If you're highly organized and can properly manage your time, then becoming a virtual assistant presents a low-friction entry point into the digital services industry. You can easily perform these functions as a remote worker no matter where you live. Finding work as a virtual assistant can be easily done through sites like Upwork, Indeed.com, and Remote.co. Search the existing posted jobs and create bids. You'll need effective communication skills and fluency in English and popular web and business software applications. 2. Sell stuff on eBay or Craigslist. A large subset of our society is earning a full-time income by selling items on Craigslist and eBay. You can do this by selling your own items, or you can help sell items for other people and take a small commission. Selling on eBay offers more friction than Craigslist, and you'll need to establish solid reviews before you can begin to move high-ticket items. However, eBay does provide resources for sellers to help you get acclimated to selling on the platform. Take the time to do your due diligence and research the platform. If you have some solid online marketing skills, you'll find this much easier than if you're a complete newbie to the world of digital marketing. 3. Trade cryptocurrency. As the digital world evolves, so does our currency. What seemed like a novelty yesterday will ultimately become the preferred medium for money. A Gallup poll found that 10% of people claim to use cash as their preferred payment method in 2016, down from 19% in 2011. While cryptocurrency is still relatively new, it will ultimately become the standard. Bitcoin and Ethereum might be the primary cryptocurrency platforms today, but the US dollar will eventually become the digital dollar by leveraging the blockchain. You can take advantage of the current boom in cryptocurrency by trading it through platforms like eToro and Kraken, amongst many others. 4. Online tutoring. Websites like Schooly, TutorMe and Tutor.com provide resources for entering into the online tutoring space. While you don't need to use a platform like these, they provide a lower friction entry point into the market. You could also search for online tutoring gigs on a variety of other sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and many more. What types of things can you tutor online? You could easily tutor a subject like math or science, while also teaching a language if you're bilingual. You could also tutor musical instruments like the guitar or piano, along with a slew of other subject matters. 5. Sell services on Fiverr. Fiverr has grown significantly since its inception. Today, it's a vast marketplace where you can sell just about any service under the sun. This is great if you're looking to make money online as a digital nomad or even while sitting at home on your laptop while in your pajamas. What, specifically, can you sell on Fiverr? Anything from graphics and design services, to digital marketing, writing and translation services, video and animation services, music and audio, programming and application development, business services and lifestyle services that includes anything from celebrity impressions to gaming. 6. Rent out your home. Another way you can make money at home is to actually rent out your home. Airbnb has carved a sizable industry out of vacation rentals.
While the market did exist prior to Airbnb's arrival, it's certainly grown by leaps and bounds since its arrival on the scene.
In 2017, Airbnb purchased luxury vacation rental provider, luxury retreats, and other consolidations in the marketplace have happened with leading sites like Invited Homes' acquisition of PPG Rentals and Season Dreams platforms, and Expedia's $3.9 billion acquisition of another vacation rental giant, HomeAway. The market is booming and the time is right for entry, no matter how big or small your home or condo might be.
7. Launch an e-commerce site. E-commerce is booming.
While Amazon takes the lion's share, consumers are buying by the droves when they can scoop up great offers. In fact, some of the leading online marketers like Neil Patel, Frank Kern, Dean Graziosi, David Sharp, John Reese, and many others, are using free plus shipping e-commerce and book funnels to make small fortunes.
This comes back to the implementation of sales funnels within an e-commerce environment.
In fact, much of what people think about traditional e-commerce stores taking months or even years to build and costing a small fortune simply isn't true. 8. Build a side hustle business. There are plenty of ideas for lucrative side hustle businesses that you could easily start from the comfort of your own home. While starting them is easy, actually putting in the work to market and grow those businesses is a bit more challenging.
The hard part is seeing them through.
While you could launch a regular business selling someone else's products, you could also invent your own product.
While businesses based on inventions might seem more complex to create, they do present attractive investment opportunities as depicted on popular shows like Shark Tank. 9. Create webinars.
I've become obsessed with the webinar medium for selling. Building out automated webinars is one of the most useful skills you could possibly have, like entrepreneur Jason Fladlien, who's done of $100 million in sales through webinars by only selling other people's products and not his own.
Webinars follow a specific template and format. They're formulaic. If you can master that formula, you can quite literally dominate in this space.
Find a great business idea or opportunity that you can sell that delivers massive amounts of value.
10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing presents a very low-friction entry into selling products online.
While you do need some type of audience to sell these products or services to, you could make a significant amount of money from home while doing it.
Some products or services have very high earnings per click.
That means, if you play your cards right, you could easily make a large profit on conversions by driving traffic to specific offers as long as you target the right interests.
You can find affiliate marketing offers on sites like ClickBank, CJ.com, and Rakuten Linkshare, amongst many others. Search for the right offer and ensure that you present it to the right audience and don't spam people about it. Do your marketing ethically. 11. Create online courses.
One of my absolute favorite ways to make extra money from home is to create online courses. Now, this does take an upfront investment of time. But, as any other passive income generating activity, you do the work once and get paid repeatedly for it. Take whatever skill you have and find a way to build a course around it. Use sites like Udemy, Encore Nagpals, Teachable or Jonathan Cronstedt's Kajabi to build those courses, then begin marketing.